Good morning, y'all. Day 9 and the last day of the Great Race. Yesterday we did kind of rough again. We don't know why we've been picking up some seconds, but today we're going to be really on it. We have a 20-second lead to the third place, and we're going to hold strong in second. Last day, it's a shorter day, and I've heard that we possibly are going to go through neighborhoods, which is because this car doesn't even idle at 20 miles an hour. But we've got this. We definitely like to call it close. We left, didn't have our math papers, went back, and now we pull our number in like not even 2 minutes to get our packets. We're on it, we're going. And then also I went to the express lane thinking it would go faster, and it actually made us take another exit past. So today's already been a fantastic start. Maybe that was what we needed to sacrifice to the race gods, you know? I heard it's normally neighborhoods at this period of time. Normally neighborhoods. Are you ready? Okay. Thank you.
Sorry, I just accidentally pointed the camera.
Last day of the race. Are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
I've talked to a lot of people and they said 20-second lead is exactly what we need, and we're gonna... Oh, I haven't told Joe this. Good news, we're going through neighborhoods. Fully. It's all 15 to 20 miles an hour.
Thank God.
At stop signs, so we will be able to see the people in front of us, who are actually our mentors. So everything has led up to this. They've taught us everything, and now they're 1 minute ahead of us. So if we ever make a little mistake,
Yeah.
So, you know.
1 minute off of them.
Yes, exactly. 1 minute off of them.
So much that she decided this new technology is not for her.
Yeah.
And so she's going to go back to the old
I
school.
don't want a
phone.
dial wheel, you know, I'm going to plug it in everywhere I go. A minute before we gotta go, okay?
Yep.
Or before them, so we're good to pull up. It's number 1, then it's our boys, then it's us.
One just went.
Yep.
I think our boys are doing a rolling start.
Make sure your turn signal's on, the cops are watching.
I'm gonna wait for our boys.
Yeah, we're good. They're definitely doing a rolling start. We'll let them by and then we'll line up, okay? Seconds. We should pull in. Drive slowly. We want to be at the 45 sign.
I want to be on grass.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. 40 miles an hour. Okay? Gonna hold her steady at 40. Steady at 40. The car behind us. The car behind us, not a cop. Steady at 40. With watermelon, lemon, and grapefruit.
Yummy. All right, so we just finished, and I don't even know. We were on stage what? There was 4 checkpoints, 5 checkpoints?
We're on stage 5, but I think they're gonna try to throw us out of whack and do more than 5 checkpoints.
We're on stage 5, so we have, technically, normally we have 1 more to go, but
Yeah,
Joe thinks we have 6.
Technically, our next checkpoint is the end, but I don't think that's going to be the case at all today. I think they're trying to trip us up. Some of those turns were a little weird. We got them all. And I think for the last day, they're trying to catch people if they're getting sloppy, if they're skipping out on things, you know, if they get too comfortable.
Yeah.
They're trying to get them on that.
Yeah. So, I mean, we'll be pretty good. Other than that, I'm getting a sun rash on my hand. I don't know if I can show it. See all the little bumpies? No, probably not actually. Oh yeah, you can see it on my wrist. But that's from me not wearing sunscreen. So it's my fault.
Finished the great race. You did it. You did it. Some people don't finish at all. Some people don't finish every day, and we finished every single one. You should be proud.
Damn.
Are you proud?
I love you. This is the best navigator ever, you guys.
This is the best driver ever.
I wouldn't be able to do it without this one.
I'm gonna get our non-existent time allowance in. Okay, we don't have one. I just want to make sure that we're in because we're not giving them anything on us today. Okay?
No, no more.
good. It's hard. Team 1 rolling it behind them. There's only one team, number 1. They were last year's grand champions.
Really good.
Yeah.
It was a really good day for us.
You guys are amazing. We'll go back to Dane because he knows what we can do. I've never actually been at the finish line because I've been in the car.
I think we did so good.
Not the easiest car to drive, and they are doing it out of Fairport, New York. 1916 Hudson Pikes Peak.
Race 30 minutes before we knew anything, and we didn't have a digital stopwatch. We didn't know anything. This man sat us down every morning and night and taught us through everything. Gave us a crash course on how to gave us this stopwatch and gave us a stopwatch. Bringing on to for dear life for the last 9 days. All the reason why we're gonna get back.
This is a trophy stopwatch. Keep it hanging on your wall.
I'm gonna throw it out. You literally could have done it.
Y'all got it. We'll see you next time.
No, we'll see you up there. No, at 4. Yeah. We'll hope. We don't know.
One. Look up. 1, 2, 3. Awesome job.
And she works with Hemmings and with Coker Tire Company. We got this car bought with all of
You guys made it!
doing the race, representing her channel, representing our companies, and then she creates an X-Cup team. What an enterprising young lady. I mean, her level.
Today, hometown sponsor, Tomax Classic Cars. Auto Transport.
Right here, 1967 Ford Mustang. This is Ron McCallum out of Sharpsburg, Georgia. Zachary Bain out of Beaufort, South Carolina. On my left here, a car you can own at the end of the summer, a 1972 Chevrolet Corvette. My friends Riley Schlick and Riley's Rebuilds from Bradenton, Florida. Her navigator Joel Behar out of Saratoga, California. These are your rookie division leaders. Oh my gosh, we have to find out now from a little birdie who has won this division. I don't hear any drum rolls, but I'm going to do it right now. 1967 Ford Mustang. Performance, they have dominated nearly end to end. Jeff and Eric Fredette, you are the great. For finishing in 2025. The 2025 Hemmings Straight Race presented by Coker Tire. Every year.
With the Corvette giveaway right next to it, this is amazing.
Tommy Lee Byrne, who I work with every day, me and Jason White, and Tommy Lee, the Never Say Die Award. It's a team that has a lot of trouble, but they keep going and keep going, and they keep fixing the car and really stand out. And this was a group effort. And this is Riley's Rebuilds, car 159. They tell me these are called influencers. I'm not sure what that means. They found that 500 gold dual quads. Second place, rookie division. Never even been in the car before until Thursday before the race started. Not even sure if they made it to registration in time. Came in on a wing and a prayer and finished second. 1972 Corvette, Ronnie Shoup, and Joe Mahar. 3 minutes and 56 seconds. You can win for free. All you have to do is take your phone, do the little QR codes, or other ways that you can do it.
Hi everybody, so we just finished the Great Race Banquet. We got second in rookie, which is astronomically amazing to us because one, we didn't get to step foot in the Corvette till the night before. We didn't have a digital stopwatch, and we got a crash course 30 minutes before the trophy run on how to run it, and then our speedo calibration. So in my books, we did literally the best ever, and I'm so happy for this. I'm so thankful for Coker and Hemmings and Corvette Central and Zip for putting together the Corvette, being able to come and drive and win second in rookie.
Congratulations all the way around. Never